Baked salmon is such a great addition to any weeknight meal. It's nutritious, delicious, simple, and quick to prepare. So this is my favorite recipe for baked salmon. It's the best recipe because there are very few basic ingredients and you don't have to remember the measurements because it's basically just a thin layer of each ingredient for each steak of salmon. This baked salmon stays moist and succulent and is great with rice or over a salad. So let's have a look. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Now for each steak of salmon, here I'm using a thin steak of salmon suitable for serving one. First we're going to add around a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Just spread a thin layer over the steak of salmon. Sprinkle the top with sea salt. And then we're going to add freshly cracked black peppercorns to taste, and you can press down on the larger corns of pepper. And then we're going to add a thin layer of minced shallots, very thinly over the top. Press it down with your spoon. And another thin layer of minced garlic. A very thin layer again. Just spread it all over, pressing gently. Don't forget to get a little bit of the ingredients on the side as well. And then we're going to add dried herbs like cilantro or tarragon. Just another thin layer all over the top. Now we're going to place this in a baking dish lined with baking paper and drizzle olive oil over the top. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 35 minutes according to your level of desired doneness. This salmon is really delicious served with rice or over a salad. I like to serve it with a small helping of rice and lots of salad. You can serve this salmon cold as well from the fridge. It tastes great with any salad. Hope you tried the recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye!